This is CJ the Traveling Man. I definitely want to thank you for joining me on this show today. I definitely want to thank you deeply for joining me today. Well, what we're going to be doing here on this show tonight is going to be basically a fundraising. So it's the fundraising is to keep the show going and going and going strong. So like I said, you'll have an episode every time and every week. It might be 2 to 3, even 4 times a day that you'll see a bunch of episodes, series, things that I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. Also with the headstone cleaning and with the traveling. I got a squirrel that's bothering me. But other than that, we're definitely going to be doing this fundraising thing, and I definitely want to thank you for joining me on this channel as well. So like I said, if you're new to my channel, thank you deeply for joining me as well. This is going to be a travel adventure across America, so we're going to be doing a lot of things, also with headstones and traveling, and also showing you things that are inside of the town, as well as mom and pop restaurants. So we're going to be doing promoting for them as well. So we're definitely going to be doing this. Our goal right now is going to be $1,000. We're trying to raise as much as we can. So, but right now our goal is $1,000, and we will be, if you're interested as well, we'll also be selling like the face mask. So you can get them in the black right now, and also you'll be able to get them in the gray. So they'll be in gray and black. I'll also put the price of it in the prescription or in the description below. I cannot get my words out right. We're also going to be able to get the throwback koozie of when I first started CJ the Traveling Man. And also you're going to get like the newer one as well, where you're going to actually have the newer koozie as well. So they'll come in different colors. I'm going to put all the price, in the bottom of the description, so you'll be able to have price wise. And we're also, like I said, we're also going to be selling the t-shirts as well. So like I said, if you can represent pink, you'll also be able to have pink. So you'll also, like I said, not just pink. Like I said, we're also going to do your state as well. So like I said, you'll also have your state. And I definitely want to, give a shout out to Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, and Indiana as well. So you also, too, like I said, I'm also going to be throwing in the shirts. So if you also want to purchase one of the CJ the Traveling Man, lawn and lawn and care t-shirts and headstone cleaning shirts. I can't even get my words out right, but if you also would like to purchase one of these, all the information will be in the description below. The price of the shirt, price of the koozie, also the price of the face mask. We're also going to do the price of the coffee cups as well. So you also can get a coffee cup too as well. And even if the donations are small, even just thinking for a cup of coffee that we do day to day, even what you would pay for a cup of coffee. So all the information is going to be in the description below. And we also had mentioned as well, since you're new to all this information as well, that I'm giving to you as well. But we're also going to do a monthly donation as well. So like I say, if you want to do a monthly donation as well, you can also set up a plan where you can make a monthly donation as well. Because the setups that we're going to be using is going to be Google Pay, Facebook Pay, Cash App, and GoFundMe. So we're going to use those 4 right there as the donation as well. And also you will be able to do a monthly donation as well. So other than that, like I said, you're going to be able to buy a t-shirt. You're going to be able to buy a koozie, a coffee mug, even a face mask. So this is something that we're doing to raise money. Like I said, our goal is $1,000. It's definitely $1,000. So if we can get it and even succeed further than that, hey, that's a blessing. That is definitely a blessing for God, definitely. So other than that, like I said, this is CJ the Traveling Man. And on my shows and everything that you'll be seeing me cleaning headstones, restoring buildings, painting, you name it. Like I said, we'll even be washing the headstones. You'll see from base to base of everything that we're going to be doing. And also, when I travel to that town, when I have to clean a headstone, you also get to know and see everybody that's in the local town as well. So, like I said, I'll take pictures with them. I'll even, we'll even try to do a video with them, just so like I said, so you'll know that, like I said, I'm interacting with the locals as well. So, other than that, reach out to me. This is CJ the Traveler Man. If you would like to start your donation today, that's fine. If you would like to start it at the end of the week or whatever, that includes supplies, the washing solution, brushes, um, buckets, anything, that's in the mix. And then also, if you would like to donate the money as well, that goes towards gasoline, transportation, you know, the function of the vehicle. So other than that, like I said, all of this is in one package. So other than that, spread the word. It's the CJ the Traveler Man. I definitely need your help on this. So spread the word, share this with everybody. Your sister, your mom, your dad, your brother, police department, fire department, EMTs, also your social workers, anybody that you know, so we can get our name out there, and also we can grow, and we can bring you more programs as we travel and as we clean headstones in the near future. So other than that, this is CJ the Traveler Man, about to sign out. So like I said, all the information will be in the description below. So if you didn't get what I said, just try to rewatch this video, get you a second understanding of the video. So other than that, like I said, you can actually purchase a t-shirt, you can purchase a coffee mug, you can purchase a koozie or a face mask. So I will show it one more time. So like, here's the koozie. You'll have the face mask with CJ Jeff the Traveling Man. And also, you'll also have a t-shirt as well with CJ the Traveling Man on it as well. And the coffee mug is the same way. The coffee mug is pretty much, it's got a symbol of C and then J on the coffee mug. So other than that, like I said, we're going to put all the pictures of everything in below of this video. Everything will be in the bottom section of this video. So other than that, this is CJ the Traveler Man. I'm about to sign out. And thank you for the love, support, and everything you've done for me. And definitely thanking God for this as well. This is going to be a wonderful adventure across America. So other than that, like I said, enjoy the show and reach out to me. And if you have any comments, questions, or anything that you would like to know about my show or the donation process, or my mailing address, or if you'd even just like to write me just to say hi and support me, that's pretty much, what I mean, that's how we're going to get this show running. So other than that, this is CJ the Traveler Man, about to sign out. And I'm definitely thanking everyone for the love, support, and everything, and also for you believing in me. So other than that, thank you for joining me. This is CJ the Traveler Man, signing out. Peace.